देख सकती है कि जब इसकी बात होती है ना, एक ही नाम याद आती है, एंड दैट इज श्रेया घोषाल. MTV Beats.
Hey, I can't hear
Hey,
you.
I
Wait,
can't
wait.
hear you. Wait.
Hello.
Ah, yes, I can hear you.
Yes, I can hear you.
Wait. Yes.
Shreya Ghoshal, are
Yes.
you here?
Yes, I can hear you now. Hi. Hi, Shreyas.
Finally,
Yay!
Shreya
Finally.
Ghoshal, Shreya Ghoshal and I. Finally ये बात हो रही है, and my boss actually messaged me and told me देखो रोना मत और बेहोश मत होना, तो I'm really पानी वानी सब कुछ तैयार रख के आए हो, अगर कुछ हो जाए तो प्लीज आप संभाल लेना बस.
Oh my God,
Just
this is
continue the
so cute.
conversation.
Yeah. We have had so many conversations, and before you start introducing me and we do all the interview stuff, मतलब श्रेयस को तो मैं इतने सालों से जानती हूँ. Bangalore days, you know, from radio to MTV. That's an amazing journey, and you have been an admirer of my music. I'm very well aware of it, and I feel so happy to know that I have such a intelligent, humble, sensitive fan, and today he's in MTV Beats doing such amazing things. That's really sweet of you. मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है. आज हम तो ऑफिशियल कॉन्वर्सेशन करने वाले हैं, बट हमारे मैसेजेस भी जो होते हैं वो बहुत बहुत अमेजिंग है. थैंक यू.
Oh my God. Those messages are basically, I don't know, the best memories, or the, you know, those screenshot worthy thing जो आप हमेशा अपने साथ रखते हो, उस टाइप की conversations होते हैं. And श्रेया, आपने बात की बैंगलोर डेज से हम एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. I just want to take you to a little bit of flashback. 2003, 29th May, 8 बजे के आसपास, a family of 4, my mom, dad, my brother and I, we had actually come to your house. हम आपके घर आए थे, and we just had a little chat with you. And उस टाइम पे एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सी चीज हुई थी. Your brother, Somideep and you, आप दोनों को जाके देखनी थी मूवी छोटा जादूगर. उस टाइम पे रिलीज हुई थी. And you
Wow,
asked your
how
parents,
long? Oh
2003,
God.
2003 May 29th, I remember the date. And आपने जाके अपने मम्मी डैडी से पूछा, saying that I want to watch this movie, can we go? And your parents said no. And you guys, both of you, Somideep and you just said okay, fine, and you just sat down. And तब से आज तक, my parents use this as an example, saying that when Shreya Ghoshal listens to her parents, who are you?
My
So has,
God.
yeah,
That is a really, I mean, I actually can't remember this day. Neither, I mean, thanks to you, you know, reminded me of this moment. मतलब मैं इतनी अच्छी ओबीडियंट लड़की थी. अच्छा, तो फिर तो अब मम्मी देखेगी
हमेशा
तो
से अभी
बोलेगी
भी
कि
ऐसा ही
देख
है
कभी.
घर पे.
नहीं नहीं, अभी हूँ, बट मम्मी बोलेगी देख तू पहले कितनी अच्छी थी, सुनती थी मेरी बात. अभी भी सुनती हूँ. आई थिंक मी एंड माई
अभी
ब्रदर
सुनते
हैव
हैं.
काइंड ऑफ स्टेड द सेम. पर what movie was
Nothing
that?
has changed.
छोटा
छोटा
जादूगर.
जादूगर.
छोटा चेतन तो नहीं, छोटा जादूगर कौन सी मूवी है
नहीं
ये?
नहीं, छोटा जादूगर था. I remember because I told you also, saying that it's a nice movie, and you were like, yeah, we want to watch it for that. And I was like, okay. It
How
was
cute.
that, from that day 2003 to now, nothing has changed. But फिर भी ऐसा लगता है बहुत कुछ change हो चुका है. But the person that you are, the voice that you have, nothing has changed over there at all. You're just the most amazing human being ever.
Thank you. That's so sweet.
That's
Thank
just
you.
you. I, so Shreya, so now
Yes.
interview mode on. इतने
Yes.
सारे सवाल है आपसे पूछने के लिए. आपके फैंस जो मतलब भर भर के मैसेजेस कर रहे हैं, saying that please ask Shreya दी this, please ask Shreya दी that. And उन सब से मैं तो चुन चुन के कोई कुछ सवाल है हम आपसे पूछ लेंगे. पहले तो आज है वैलेंटाइंस डे, एंड वैलेंटाइंस डे जो है वो मतलब प्यार को हर दिन सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए, लेकिन एमटीवी बीट्स कह रहा है कि दिल दे के देखो. कभी आपको आज तक क्रेजीएस्ट गिफ्ट क्या मिला है, और आपने सबसे बेस्ट गिफ्ट क्या दिया है ड्यूरिंग वैलेंटाइंस?
I should have done some preparation before coming to this interview. वैलेंटाइंस डे पे तो मेरे लाइफ में तो एक ही वैलेंटाइन रहा है. देन आई गॉट मैरिड टू हिम. सो टू बी ऑनेस्ट इट्स बीन दैट सिंपल. सो वैलेंटाइंस डे पे रोज मिलना या एक I mean, I think lilies, because he knew that my love for flowers are just extreme, and especially those lilies which were so fragrant. तो मुझे वो हमेशा मिलते थे. फिर चॉकलेट केक, ये बचपन के दिनों की बात है जब हम बहुत यंग थे. फिर अभी तो कुछ कुछ स्पेशल स्पेशल चीजें मिलती रहती हैं अभी भी. But I feel that those small joys of those days were actually more special. So yeah, or ये हाथ के बने हुए कुछ चीज, एक a card or something like that, or a song like a mixtape, something like that. I think these things matter more to me than anything fancy. I have never
And
given
are
a
you?
no, I have never given any gifts. I'm like this.
What is this? Are you never giving a gift?
No, I can't understand कि कुछ स्पेशल डे होता है ना, बर्थडेज और वैलेंटाइंस डे. आई जस्ट फील दैट जो मैं करूंगी वो बहुत क्लीशे हो जाएगा, या तो मैं आई थिंक आई जस्ट चिकन आउट एंड आई से कि ओ सॉरी, you know how I am. That's the standard statement, that you know how I am, I forget. I'm
See,
very
you're now
sorry.
using your niceness for a wrong reason. I think you should totally give a gift अभी. अभी तो
No,
time मतलब बनता
अभी
है.
टाइम, अभी तो फिर इतने सालों का मिलके देना पड़ेगा, बाप रे. It's a big pressure.
That's a good option. Shreya, आपका brand new independent single अंगना मोरे is now out. Exclusively play हुआ था on MTV Beats, and we are all loving the song so much. And इस गाने पे Shreya, can you see me? There's a little bit of distortion.
Yeah. Can you see me now?
Yeah, now it's clear. So I was talking about you and your brother. आपने हाल ही में एक सिंगल बनाया है called अंगना मोरे, जो exclusively play हुआ है on MTV Beats, and we are loving the song. And ये second time आपने collaborate किया अपने भाई के साथ. So
Right.
firstly I want to ask you, आप ना एक universal दीदी type हो, सब लोग आपको दीदी बुलाता है. कभी सौम्यदीप has he got a little insecure saying that यार दीदी तो मेरी है, आपकी कैसी बन गई?
अरे श्रेयस, दीदी मेरे को ना, आई हैव हैड such incidences जहाँ पे कोई 50 या 60 साल के अंकल आके भी मुझे दीदी बोल चुके हैं. So I don't think दीदी now anymore means sister. दीदी has become a suffix with my name, Shreya Di. And it goes very well because I'm a Bengali, so Shreya Di sounds perfect. Yeah, I mean, having said that, Swamideep, no, I don't think has ever taken offense to that thing. Yeah, I mean, वो मुझे ना, जितना भी मेरा छोटा भाई है, वो कुछ ऐसी चीजों में वो मेरा लिटरली मेरा बड़ा भाई है, and he bullies me into, he gives me all the love and respect, but when we have, especially when we are making music together, so then we will have these discussions and debates where he will totally listen to everything that I have to say, because you're Didi and you are, whatever you have to say it. But I exactly know what I need to do. So मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा उससे भी डर लगता है, वो थोड़ा बड़ा भाई टाइप से. So yeah, I'm a छोटी दीदी when it comes to our personal relationship.
जब आप काम करते हो एक दूसरे के साथ, मतलब obviously the dynamics थोड़ा सा different होता है, because siblings, of course you are siblings first, but जब काम करते हो तो what did you realize सौम्यदीप के बारे में जो मतलब different है? What about his music sensibilities आपको कुछ ज्यादा impress कर गई?
I think मुझे पता नहीं था कि उसमें इतना म्यूजिक भरा हुआ है. We actually really ignored that side of his for the longest time. Although he's a hardcore techie academic path पे गया हुआ लड़का है. He's in the US doing his, he's in the startup world of techno things. Like I don't even know what he does, to be honest. But but somewhere parallelly he was constantly doing music. Maybe time की कमी हो, कितने भी struggles हो as a student once you're in the US, and then you can't find time for your passions. But he continued to do it, and then he surprised me with when I never had serious conversations about music with him. I used to always like the fact that he has a very distinct taste for music. He plays the guitar, he follows certain bands, जो कि मुझे पता ही नहीं थे कभी कि ये exist करते हैं. So I got to know a lot about the Western music and what's happening out there through him. And then somewhere he started initiating this thing that like I want to do something like that. Can you give me your voice? So he used me as basically an instrument, as a voice for his composition or his songwriting. And then eventually those things became solid, you know, that it's a good song, let's release it, kind of a thing. Yeah.
That's beautiful. अंगना मोरे के साथ आप बस सिंगर नहीं हो, आप कंपोजर हो इस गाने के, एंड यू ऑल्सो आपने इस गाने के लिरिक्स लिखे हैं. तो श्रेया, लिरिक्स, कंपोजिंग एंड सिंगिंग, व्हाट आर द एवेन्यूज ऑफ म्यूजिक आपको एक्सप्लोर करना है? इज देयर समथिंग इन योर माइंड यू वांट टू डू नेक्स्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ म्यूजिक प्रोडक्शन, एंड व्हाट आर द अदर एरियाज जो आपको बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लगते हैं अभी?
I've never put any thought कि मुझे करना क्या है, मुझे कंपोजर बनना है, इसके लिए मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था. ये जो हुआ अब थोड़ा नेचुरली हो गया है. एक्चुअली लॉकडाउन एक्चुअली वाज अ गुड टाइम इन अ वे कि वो थोड़ा इट पुश्ड मी इन द क्रिएटिव स्पेस अ लिटिल बिट मोर because I was not doing anything. There was no distraction of going for a gig or a concert or a recording. There were endless number of days with you thinking what to do, you know. I think everyone went through that phase. That's where Angna More got made, and because वो थोड़ा इस तरह का म्यूजिक है जो थोड़ा मेरे लिए इजी होता है, लाइक बचपन से क्लासिकल म्यूजिक सीखे हुए हैं. सो ये थोड़ा इंस्पायर्ड बाय बंदिश, दैट फॉर्मेट ऑफ म्यूजिक, एंड द राइटिंग was appropriately in that direction, so it happened very naturally. And maybe I was in that mindset जहाँ पे वो balcony में थोड़ा अपने garden में बैठ के थोड़ा गाना लिखने का मूड हुआ. But I cannot be 100% sure whether I'll be able to continue that in every project I do every indie project. I'm most open to collaborating with you know, great minds, whether new or, you know, my contemporaries. अगर मुझसे कुछ खुद हो जाता है by chance, then I'll keep it, but I'm not very कि मुझे अब कंपोजर के बाद लिरिक्स के बाद मुझे डायरेक्टर बनना है, ये सब ख्वाब नहीं है मेरे. I want to just enjoy the process.
You know, chicken and egg situation. अंगना मोरे का क्या पहले आया? लिरिक्स पहले आपने लिखा या फिर you composed it first?
I composed it first. So for me, the mukhra and the antra kind of got made very instantly, you know, in a go. Of course, then whatever little dummy words I had, I kept fine-tuning it over the time. Now, antra, the verse of this song was something that I wanted to crack it, because in a particular bandish, there are only 2 and 2 lines. So in all 4 lines in that structure. But I wanted to break it, of course, and make it a song like Antra. So वहाँ पे जाके थोड़ा I felt a little more motivated, because, you know, I felt कि गाना at the end of the day is about 2 lovers who are far from each other. And especially in lockdown, there were so many such stories जहाँ पे दो प्यार करने वाले एक दूसरे से दूर हैं. कितने लोग you know, overseas अटक गए हैं, घर नहीं आ पा रहे हैं. So their stories and their thought, those things inspired me. I thought कि फिर वो जो feeling होती है when you say you just got married to someone, and or you are just fallen in love with a person and you're in a new relationship, how hard it is to, you know, keep away in that, you know, that is the most sweet, bitter kind of a situation, that pain, right? So from there the thought came. So the writing is, although it's a very shuddha Hindi, but it kind of speaks of that.
We can't wait कि आप और भी ज्यादा लिखे, और भी ज्यादा कंपोज करें, और भी ज्यादा गाए. और हमें पता है कि आपके विश लिस्ट, आपने जो MTV Beats Wants Know में आपने कहा है कि आपको एटलीस्ट 10 इंडिपेंडेंट गाने बनाना है इस साल. And we can't wait for all of that. I am gonna request you to sing Angna More a little later, but उससे पहले बहुत सारे fun questions, and please say hi to all your lovely fans. They're just going crazy on the comments, saying Shreya Di, Shreya Di, Shreya Di, Shreya Di. Yes,
hi to everyone. I'm missing out on so many messages. इतने जल्दी आ रहे हैं ना, so it's very difficult to scroll through them. But yeah, I'll quickly take a few names. अरे अच्छा, शमसिया ने तो बोल दिया सिंग अ सॉन्ग, सिंपल. ओके, शर्मा पालिका, श्रेया घोषाल, वी लव यू. शिखा, स्नेहा, कृष्णा ठाकुर, क्या कामाख्या, Shubham. Hi everyone. There are too many messages.
Oh my god.
I love you guys. Thank you for joining.
2 लाइन हो जाए कोई गाने का?
अच्छा, सो अभी हम लोग ने एक गाना रिलीज अभी किया. अमित त्रिवेदी हैज आल्सो डन सम इंडी प्रोजेक्ट, रिमेम्बर? अभी रिसेंटली गाना
Yes,
रिलीज हुआ है.
it's gorgeous. That'll be great
सो
if you can sing
मुझे
for
लगा
us.
कि मैं वो थोड़ा गा देती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे गाना बहुत
Certainly.
पसंद है एक्चुअली. ये गाना बहुत स्वीट, और दिस इज लाइक अ परफेक्ट वैलेंटाइन सॉन्ग, नो? लगन
Yes, it is.
लागी रे तो से प्यारे, बलम के सरे तो से प्यारे, लगन लागी रे तो से लागी रे, बलम के सरी तो से लागी रे, जी में से बसे जादू सा क्या कर दिया है, मोगरे फूल सी मैं खिली, लम्हा हर पल जुड़ा तुमसे ही रंगीनियां है, साथी सी खुशबुएं महकी सी, लगन लागे रे तो से लागे रे, बलम केसरी तो से लागे रे.
One is allowed to not react. Okay? When you listen to Shreya Ghoshal, I just have to say कि I want to give a shout out to my best friend Sonu. She actually made me listen to this song for the first time. मुझे अभी भी याद है. She told me, how do you not know this song of Shreya Ghoshal? And I heard it, and I'm so glad ये गाना is now available for all of us to listen to and watch,
Yeah.
of course. Thank you for singing that song for us, Shreya.
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Yeah,
And
I'm
now
glad.
I have a bunch of fun questions जो आपके fans ने बहुत सारे भेजे, and I've also like picked up a couple of them, and I'm gonna ask them all to you. एक मूवी जो आपका guilty pleasure मूवी है.
गिल्टी प्लेजर मूवी, मुझे ना जब भी मैं बहुत डाउन फील करती हूँ ना, एक जाके मूवी देख लेती हूँ. बिकॉज लाइक many of us who are in our growing up, or not teen exactly, like ये तो बहुत 20s की बात है मेरी, but जब भी met is that movie that I keep watching over and over again. I love the
Oh.
chemistry of Kareena Kapoor and Shahid Kapoor and the dialogues and everything about it. And of course ये इश्क
Okay,
है,
now
the
this
song.
ये तो yes, of course, जिसके लिए आपको national award भी मिला था, and that song is just amazing. And I know this is a little too much, but अगर ऐसी dialogue उस movie की जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, and you can say it like Kareena Kapoor. Is there a dialogue like that?
मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
Correction, आप सबकी favorite हो, just FYI.
But nobody does it like Kareena. She's incredible.
Nobody does it like Kareena.
Right now.
The funniest WhatsApp group that you're a part of.
Oh, I have lots of them. There are some, actually, the funniest ones are the ones where there are a lot of elders and the family groups where you end up just, and वहाँ पे हर group के बाद एक नमस्कार आ जाता है, this emoticon.
Highest used emoticon.
Yes. वो WhatsApp forwards and the good mornings and this namaskar, I find them the most funniest ones. So yeah, I think those family groups and the extended family groups are the funniest ones.
And the funniest WhatsApp group name.
I don't know. We have a group amongst just like me, my brother, my husband, Shiladitya, and his sister. I think we are just 4 or 5 of them, and we just share these reels or any of these memes constantly on that group. And for some reason, it was called Jim Corvona. I don't know. I mean, from where Jim Corvona means like मैं gym नहीं करूँगी.
Oh, acha, okay.
I can't remember why this name came to that group, and it continued so, and it is the biggest confusion or mystery. Why do we have that name for that group?
That's so funny.
Makes no sense.
श्रेया, आपके ना बहुत सारे फैंस हैं, मिलियंस ऑफ फैंस जो आपको हर रोज आपके सोशल मीडिया को स्टॉक करते हैं टू सी व्हाट यू आर अप टू. आपने कभी किसी फैन के अकाउंट को स्टॉक किया है टू जस्ट सी कि बच्चे कर क्या रहे हैं?
अरे हाँ, all the time I do it, and they are very much aware because ना अब तो मुझे पता है कि ना the moment I've seen a story or something, वो तो दिख जाता है ना किसने देखा है.
Correct.
So अब मैं कितना छुपा छुपा के करूं, अगर मुझे देखना है कुछ, To be honest, I sometimes see suddenly I am trending on Twitter, for example.
Yes.
So I said कि ये मैं क्यों ट्रेंड कर रही हूँ? Suddenly 8 बजे मुझे कुछ मैसेज आ रहा है, yeah, you are trending on Twitter. And I said, but मैंने करा क्या है? Let me just go and see what happened. So then I'll just go to, the profile and just see from where this started, happening, what made it, what was the trigger point, or sometimes even a new song has released or something which I'm not aware of. Many times I'm very oblivious to most of the things that's happening in my life. So I'll go and check my fans' pages and what they write.
That's it. Now all the fans, including me, are gonna put so much effort in putting our social media game ahead of everybody because Shreya Ghoshal हमें stalk करती है, guys. That's a headline.
I know, and they all know
एक
I do it quietly.
एक वेब शो या फिर टीवी सीरीज जो आपके लिए क्लासिक है that you can always go back to.
Friends. It's ultimate. Like I can watch it like non-stop. वो seasons खत्म हो गए, वापस rerun from the first season, first episode. It's just I feel good. One of the best
And your favorite
ever.
character from Friends?
It's a tie between Chandler and Joey. I think both are damn cute. I
You
love Joey
know,
because he's so kind of dumb and he's a foodie. So, and Chandler for his just basic random jokes and the face that he makes.
जब ये लाइव शुरू हुआ था, I was almost getting into Phoebe and I was like, my eyes, my eyes, my eyes,
Oh yeah,
because I get to see.
Phoebe too. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Actually, the phases change. The Phoebe's weirdness is something I relate to sometimes. Like, I think I'm a little bit like Phoebe at times. I have
That was my
many
next question.
quirks. Was it? Yeah,
Yes.
I think I
Sub-
relate to Phoebe because her quirkiness, her randomness is so much. I sometimes feel I have such unpredictable behaviors and things that I like, and nobody will understand why I like and why I do those things. So I do relate to her.
Phoebe fans forever. Last
Yeah,
question in this series. आप कभी bargain करते हो?
बहुत बुरा बार्गेन करती हूँ. जो जो बार्गेन शुरू किया तो ज्यादा पैसे दे के आती हूँ. मतलब आई एम टेलिंग you know I don't know. अच्छा, मेरी फ्रेंड्स वगैरह when we were young हम लोग से फैशन स्ट्रीट जाते थे और
Mhm.
फैशन स्ट्रीट में हर किसी ने शॉपिंग की है अपने बचपने के दिनों में. एंड इफ यू हैव नॉट गॉन टू फैशन स्ट्रीट यू हैव नॉट सीन बॉम्बे, राइट? सो
Right.
अच्छा, वो 50 रुपए की अगर चप्पल है फॉर एग्जाम्पल तो मैं 200 रुपए दे के आई. ऐसी सच्ची बात है. बिकॉज आई फेल्ट सो बैड. I felt so bad with the whole that the person who was selling. He's saying कि दीदी uh, uh, ये माल आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा, पूरे इंडिया में ढूंढ के देखो. फिर कि हाँ हाँ करेक्ट है. I'll trust that person and give extra to 200 रुपए में खरीद के आई हूँ. एंड जो चीज 2 दिन में फट चुकी ऐसी वाली चीज है वो. यू नो So yeah, and my friends just were like, "What? You're useless, completely useless."
Finally, one thing to never learn from Shreya Ghoshal is to bargain.
Can't.
बाकी सारी चीजें प्लीज सीखो श्रेया घोषाल से. And because आज Valentine's Day, कुछ love related questions तो बनता है. So quick questions about love. Do you believe in love at first sight?
Yeah, I think that is
You do?
so true. And it is not just with a person, it can be with a thing, it can be with a pet. I think I believe in souls that they are meant to be together when they are in the same room. They were like destined to be there together. कुछ तो past connection होगा. That's why they are here, and that it's supposed to be. So whether it's friendships, whether it's love, like romance, I believe in first love at first sight.
Your love story in a song. कौन सा गाना होगा जो आपके love story को एक गाने में describe कर सकता है?
लव स्टोरी को डिस्क्राइब करता है. um, बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स लव, मतलब the feelings that we have gone through over that many years, it's so complex. But I think it ये गाना है एक्चुअली, वो रोमांटिक गाना नहीं है, लेकिन इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों पे चल बनाए आशियां. I think that is the kind of person I am, and Shiraditya is also. Like हम बहुत छोटी छोटी खुशियों में अपने आशियां बनाते हैं. So I think yeah, that song is the right one.
#adorable. एक गाना, एनी सॉन्ग, ओके, आपका गाना नहीं, कोई भी गाना पूरे मतलब जो आपने सुना है जो लव को बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब करता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ लिरिक्स, लाइक ये लिरिक्स आपको इट स्टेज विद यू.
मुझे एक्चुअली पुराने गाने ही ज्यादा मुझे लगता है. The songs of 60s and 70s were so deep, and they were so they're coming from a very real place. They were not concocted. So I think like a song like अगर मुझसे मोहब्बत है, मुझे सब अपने गम दे दो, इन आँखों का हर एक आंसू मुझे मेरी कसम दे दो. ये सब गानों पे मैं मेल्ट हो जाती हूँ. आई थिंक ऐसा कोई इंसान अगर आपके सामने आके गा दे, लाइक ये शब्दों में आपके कानों में आके कोई गा दे, तो आपको उस शख्सियत से प्यार कैसे नहीं हो सकता है. वो आई थिंक दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ द होल सॉन्ग एंड द लिरिसिस्ट ऑफ दैट
सो
टाइम.
ट्रू. ओके, नाउ दिस और दैट, दो ऑप्शंस मैं आपको दूंगा, तो आपको चूज करना है बिटवीन वन ऑफ देम. ओके, अ डिनर डेट विद योर हस्बैंड और अ गर्ल्स नाइट आउट विद योर गर्लफ्रेंड्स.
So चलो आज वैलेंटाइंस डे है तो डिनर डेट विद हस्बैंड. Ditch
Beach
the
person
girlfriend.
or a mountains person? You love the beaches or the mountains?
Beaches. Yeah.
Rasgulla or kheer kodom?
Rasgulla.
And the last question. The next time I come to Bombay, are you going to meet me? Yes or no?
Yes! Absolutely yes.
That's it. That's it. यही चाहिए था मुझे. Shreya Ghoshal, thank you so much for giving me possibly the best day of my life.
Thank you.
मतलब इस दिन के लिए I think you know that how long I have waited to just talk to you like this someday. And ये तो मतलब बस honestly ये बस शुरुआत है. एक दिन ऐसा भी होगा जहाँ पर हम face to face बात करेंगे only about music, about your music and just everything under the sun, and it's going to be the best conversation ever.
Thank
you. Just thank you for being you, and thank you for being such a big influence on all our lives, and especially mine, and just being the most amazing person ever. And जाने से पहले, I just want you to sing a few lines of Angna More for all of us.
Yes. And also, Shreyas, thank you for the MTV Artist of the Month whole experience. I really enjoyed giving those interviews and doing the countdowns. It was so much fun. And of course, talking to you today on this Instagram Live was absolutely adorable. Next time, zarur Rasgulla khayenge jab when you come to Bombay. We'll do it together.
Yes.
And abhi Angna More ki lines. आओ सजन अंगना मोरे, आओ सजन अंगना मोरे, दिन रैन तुम्हारी याद सताए, आओ सजन अंगना मोरे, आओ सजन अंगना मोरे, आओ सजन अंगना मोरे, अंगना मोरे.
Thank you, Shreya Ghoshal. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye.
See you soon. Just say hello. Bye to all your fans. I think
Yes.
they're gonna really hold it against me.
Yeah. Hi Meena, hi Maya Koheli, hi everybody. इतने सारे messages आके चले गए. Of course ये जब live खत्म हो जाएगा तो मैं सारे पढ़ूंगी. Thank you so much for being here, and you know, you guys support me in everything that I do. It feels like I'm blessed, and I must have done some बहुत बड़े बड़े पुण्य किए होंगे पिछले जन्म में that I have such a beautiful family. Thank you, and I'll be back again. कुछ ना कुछ तो करते रहेंगे live. I'll do again, so I'll sing more for you next time.
Thank you so much, Shreya. Lots of love always. And
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Okay, okay. This has happened and my bosses, आप देख रहे हो तो just FYI, ना मैं नहीं रोया हूँ, ना ही मैं बेहोश हुआ हूँ. So it's all good in the hood. Thank you, thank you. We all love Shreya Ghoshal. Thank you for all your lovely comments. आपके सारे प्यार के लिए बहुत सारा thank yous. 7 बजे को we're gonna be back. दर्शन रावल होने वाले हैं हमारे साथ and बहुत मजा आने वाला है. So don't go anywhere. Keep having fun. यहाँ पे मतलब दिल देके देखो आप MTV Beats पे, okay? See you sharp at 7. Have a great evening ahead.